Hey everyone, welcome to a video that is going to show you how to create a YouTube channel if you do not already have one. We will go through the steps to verify that YouTube channel as well as show you how to delete it if you are so inclined. In order to have a YouTube channel, it's really connected to what's known as a Google account. Most people associate a Google account with a Gmail address, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that case. If you do not have a Google account, I will have another video that shows you how to create one. For right now, the short version, when I come to google.com, I can find the sign in button at the very top right hand side, and if I don't have an account, I can create one here and follow through on the steps, picking an email address and going on, or even attaching that account to an email address you already have. What I am going to do though is sign into a account that I already have created. Once I'm signed into this Google account, you'll notice that now when I'm on a Google product page, I have a little icon over here that allows me to get to my account settings and change things like the privacy, passwords, verification, verify with a phone number, etc. Things that I'm actually going to do within YouTube as well. So let's jump over to YouTube and talk about how to create a channel. You'll notice if I'm not already signed in, you can sign in at the top right hand corner again. I'm already signed in, and I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel. Now this account does not have one yet, so I'm presented with a how do you want to use YouTube. You can name your channel whatever you want. I usually have one channel that's just my name. If you want to create other channels in the future, you're more than welcome to do so, and I'll show you that. But let's just create this channel as Bruce Wayne. And as soon as you have that channel created, you now have access to a few different things. So now when I click on my channel, it brings me to this page. I don't have any content here. Normally, where I spend most of the time managing and editing content is what's known as the Creator Studio. You can see the button for it here. I am actually going to go in that drop-down menu and jump over to the Creator Studio. This is where I will eventually have all of my videos when I go into something like the Video Manager. And just so you see what that looks like, here's an example, like here's the Video Manager for my account. You will have the ability to do live streaming if you so choose, and we'll do another video on especially doing live streaming with events that kind of allow you to have other participants, not even in the same room with you, using Google Hangouts, which is a lot like Skype, FaceTime, or WebEx, and record that video as well as stream it live if you so choose. What I'm actually going to go through though is going down to the channel button, and I am going to click on where it says verify right here. So verifying your account gives you the ability to upload things that are really any length. You can upload videos of any length, and you're not, I think by default it's 15 minutes or less, but when you verify your account you can do that. It also gives you access to that streaming and event setup, which I personally don't use very often, but it could be very handy. So I'm just going to click on the verify account. I am going to have it text me the verification. So I'll put my phone number in. It'll take a few seconds for that verification to come through. And there it is. And I now have a verified YouTube account. So we will go through a lot of the other things about how to use this account and how to create and manage and publish some of the content here in the next video. But for right now, I want to also show you how to delete that account. So let's go back to the main YouTube page. You'll notice, again, if I click up here, it gives me the ability to go to a couple of different places. I am going to click on YouTube settings, and it shows me a lot of different information, what I have connected to this, privacy, notifications, etc. What I'm really going to be interested in is in the overview under my account information where it says advanced. Here it says I have a channel. It gives me all of my YouTube ID and some of these things that you might need if you ever wanted to get into some more live streaming capabilities. I'm just going to delete this channel, and in order to do that, click on there. I'm going to first verify that it's me by typing in my password. Then I have the ability to hide the channel until later, but for this I'm just going to delete the channel. It tells you all the things that will be deleted. It's going to delete your content. It again asks you to verify because they don't want you to do this by accident. And I am going to delete all of my content. So that is how you create your YouTube channel, how you verify your YouTube channel, and then if you are interested in deleting your YouTube channel. Again, in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to start getting content onto your channel. I will also show you how to manage multiple channels, as well as some different ways to share the content that you have there. So until then, I hope this has been helpful.